little bit.
Hi, peoples.
441 Zombie Killer here with Colton and Joey.
I'm the Colton.
That's Colton.
This one's
Oh,
Joey.
sorry, I thought this was Colton.
Nah, yo. I get that a lot.
He just slapped me really hard. I'm trying not to point at Chris. Chris didn't slap me.
No.
This one did.
It was pretty funny. It was actually.
It hurt. I feel pretty bad.
But yeah. What are we doing
We're
today?
gonna just be doing like his types of aux cord users.
Alright.
Bro,
Come on.
What?
Sorry.
What? What's with all the screaming, bro? You scared the shit.
I gotta show you a song, dude.
What song?
Here, listen.
Have you heard this song?
Yeah, it's a good song, right? Yeah. Dude, listen.
I am.
Dude, get off your phone and listen to the song.
I'm listening to it. That's what I'm doing.
No, you're on your phone. You're not even listening.
Bro, look at me, bro.
Just because he's on his phone.
I'm
doesn't mean he's not
listening, bro. I'm
No,
telling
dude,
you,
you're not.
Bro, I'm listening,
You're
bro.
arguing right now.
Bro.
You're not even listening to the song.
Bro, because you're arguing with me, bro. You're arguing with me.
Now I had to stop the song.
That's your
make
fault,
It, doesn't
bro.
make it even that good. Bro.
Is he not arguing with me?
Yeah, he
Thank
started
you.
it.
Thank you.
Colton, you started
I'm a
it.
first.
Whatever, dude. Let's just finish the song.
Deep down I know I gotta let you go and know it breaks my
Really,
soul.
dude?
Gotta let you
Bro,
go.
what?
You're on your fucking phone.
I'm on Instagram. What do you want from me?
I want you to listen to the song.
That's what I'm doing. Oh my god.
Don't say
Hey,
that.
there's a thing called multitasking.
Listen to some music.
Fuck yeah,
sure.
dude.
All right,
Yeah.
all right. Let's see what I got.
Okay, I like this song. Bro, I just said I like this song.
This is a good song, though.
Dude,
Yeah, I mean, this is a good song.
Yeah, this is a
you
good
like
song.
you like
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay.
Dude,
Come
what
on.
the heck?
I'm sorry.
It was about to start. It was about to get good.
I wasn't feeling it though.
All right, fine. This one's still
wasn't-
good.
I
This one's still all right. Yeah, I mean, I can feel
this
this.
is all right.
Wake up in the morning feeling live.
Dude.
I wasn't feeling. I'm sorry. I wasn't feeling
Dude,
it.
get-
Oh my
I
God.
can't feel it.
Can you keep it on
I
the song
can't-
for like
Yeah,
a
for
minute?
real, like at least a
At
minute.
least a minute.
I can't get with these music guys. I don't know what's wrong with them, but I just can't bob to it. You know, I can't do it. I wasn't feeling
Got
it.
everything,
Bro.
I got
I
everything.
wasn't feeling it. I'm sorry. I just can't do it. What?
I don't even know
Come
how
on.
much I really
You wouldn't do
made.
this if you didn't feel it? No, I would keep it on a fucking song.
What I got, nigga, don't
God.
watch that 'cause I
Oh,
came up, that's all me. All my friends think I got money.
dude, give me the phone.
Fine.
Give me the phone.
You make your music, okay?
God.
You do that.
Jesus.
Hey, dude, let's get some fucking party jams, yeah?
Fuck yeah. Let's get that.
Alright,
Let's get
alright,
that. Let's
alright,
get that.
I got a good one.
All right.
Alright.
This
You ready?
is pretty
You ready?
great on the
Fuck
aux
it,
cord.
yeah. I'm ready.
He's really good on the aux cord. Just
All
like
right. I thought you said, what is this?
Dude, it's Florida Georgia line.
Oh, fuck.
Bro, where y'all going?
Yo, y'all want to hear this new like band that I've been listening to? They're pretty good, honestly.
Yeah, shit.
Yeah. All right.
Bro, the hell was that?
It's a really good song.
Why was that just some demonic shit on your
He was
radio?
saying shark.
I did not hear that. All
I
I
didn't
heard was
hear shark.
straight
I heard
screaming.
Yeah, I heard shit going down, and
I
from where
thought he
I
was
come
getting
from,
murdered for a second.
yeah, from where I'm come from, you don't bring that up. Like you just walk the other way. Like you don't even acknowledge the fact that just happened.
Nah. Like,
Fine. I got y'all.
alright. Better be better than the last one.
All right, it better be because
Better be.
that shit was.
Give me just a second.
That was some weird shit.
It really was.
I don't fucks with that, bro.
Come on,
I
here's
don't. I don't do
some
ghosts.
demonic-
I don't do ghosts. I don't do demons. Okay, that is two things I don't fucks with.
There, y'all like this one better?
Get out.
How about some Care Bear shit?
Get out.
Get out.
Get out.
This is my car.
Out.
I don't care.
What do y'all-
Get out.
Get out. Out now. Leave.
Bro, can you put on some music? We've been driving for 2 hours and you haven't played a single
Yeah,
thing.
we're almost halfway there. Like,
Seriously?
no music at all.
Do you want me
Freaking-
to put on my club playlist?
Yeah, just do something.
Okay.
Fuck.
Right.
Yeah.
Wait.
No. Hey, yo, put on some music.
Yeah, bro. Please.
Yeah.
Alright, I got
Yeah,
the
we
perfect thing.
need
Alright,
music.
you ready?
All right, bro. All right.
You ready?
Yeah. What is
Can
this?
you just please change?
Yeah,
this?
like,
can
just
you
put on something.
better?
Anybody.
Anything
Anything would be better.
Yeah,
Anything would be
Anything
better.
would be better than
Alright,
this.
alright,
Yeah,
I got
please.
you. I got you.
Alright.
This is 10 times better.
All right.
I can't.
No.
You
You're
gotta-
no longer oxen.
Yeah, and not only that, get out.
Get out.
Get out.
But y'all on my ride.
I don't care what.
You should have thought
We're
about
like
that
2 hours
before you
away,
played that
though.
shit. Get out.
I hope someone gets you a ride then. Shit.
Whatever.
You had to play that stupid shit. Get out.
Come on, man.
That's all we got to.
Jesus.
Can't even get out the car.
Dude. This dude, bro.
Oh my god.
Out of all the bullshit.
What? Why? What is
Why?
ice JJ fish?
I don't know, bro.
Oh my god. Why are you back?
Alright, well, it's the end of the video. I want to thank Colton and Joey for being in it.
Yeah.
Be sure to go check out their channels. And
It's
their
just Colton
channel.
and
Yeah.
Joey.
Yeah.
I'll put a link in the description.
I lost a bet, so I had to go last. But
You wanted to go last.
all right, bye now.
They didn't.
Fuck.